as you add more people to the consumption of LPG, you will have to buy more, you'll have to import more. The fuel forex will go up to the roof. So why don't you shift one section which can afford clean energy or electricity solution, for example, industrial and commercial customers?
The world is staring at another energy crisis. And of course, with shipping that's been paralyzed, attacks on both sides of fossil fuel infrastructure, you see some of the world's biggest oil and gas facilities having stopped production. And on the 9th of March, oil prices soared above $100 a barrel for the first time since Russia's invasion of Ukraine.
So for oil, we have good number of strategic reserve. The government claims it has 25 days of supply all reserved up. But for gas, we don't have much infrastructure. We have only 2 terminals. There's hardly any strategic reserves that we have. So we cannot just tap into it and start supplying all of a sudden.
A lot of this was actually not unforeseeable. A lot of it was foreseeable, which begs the question of, why do countries look like they're scrambling?
In the last 20 years, KG-D6 gas reserve has always been on news. We were overpromised a certain amount of gas supply from that block, which never came. And on the basis of that overpromise, plans were made, gas power plants were planned, CNG, PNG network was planned, but that supply never came.
Again, today's lack of clarity of, commercial LPG, will these connections not benefit? Are looking at the amount of uncertainty around the restaurant industry. We're talking about gig workers. I think the lack of clarity here is especially concerning, considering how many sectors are vulnerable.
Once a disaster happens, we always talk about solutions immediately. And it's not just people, the governments are also talking about solutions. When there's a flood, we're talking about protecting mangroves. When there is a landslide, we are saying, let us increase our forest cover, let's not do mining. 5 days ago, the first blasting of the rock for the Wayanad Tunnel Road was done in Kerala, despite so many people saying, do not have a tunnel road. We do not know if our oxygen supplies have increased after COVID. Next time, if there's a pandemic, we do not know if we have more oxygen supply because the government is not transparent about these things, right? Here is a crisis again. But I don't have too many hopes that we are going to learn from the crisis to actually solve things.